are pleased to show you the 2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.